Hey everybody, hey, it's Dr. Jerry Mills with Mills Chiropractic and Wellness Center with this week's episode of Research That Matters. And this month we're focused on headaches. And the most common type of headache is the one we're going to start with here, and it's what's called a tension type headache. Tension type headaches, the primary cause of them is our good old friend stress. And you know, I know it's unlikely that any of you listening to this are experiencing any stress whatsoever, and it's unlikely that you would experience a tension type headache. I understand that, but we're going to talk about it anyway, right? So a tension type headache, the classic presentation of it is a headache that typically starts in the neck or in the back of the head and then works its way up over to the front part here, and often ends up kind of that dull, achy, distributed type of headache. And like I said, it's one of the most common types of headaches. And the interesting thing that I want to bring about this week is just how effective chiropractic can be with this type of headache. It's one of my favorite things to treat because I know that we're going to be able to help that patient, not some of the time, not part of the time, every time that they have that type of headache. Chiropractic care, in my experience, has been effective for it. Part of it is the technology we use in the office and some of the things that we're able to do to address that situation. And the research, pretty much pans that out as well. And so, if you do know somebody that suffers with a tension type headache, the type that starts in the neck and, like I said, works its way up over the top, pass along our card, or better yet, get them to our workshop that we have coming up. We're going to be sharing a lot of tricks and techniques on, how to maybe limit the opportunity for those types of headaches to come on, but also some effective treatment strategies. So with this week's Research That Matters, I'm going to sign off. Talk to you guys next week.